Hi, and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where we react to 100-hour lasagna. Can you believe it? How long does it take to make lasagna? It must be the best lasagna in the universe.
Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Buzz Cooks. Today we're having a little fun. Vincenzo's Plate, an amazing YouTube channel, Italian cooking. Anyways, he had a video on there where he followed a man that cooked lasagna and it took him 100 hours. So I thought to myself, let's see if we can do it in 2 hours. Now I am cheating a little bit because I've already got some leftover bolognese that I made a few videos back. But anyways, we're going to start off by making our own pasta. And according to Vincenzo, it's 100 grams of flour per egg. So we're doing 500 grams and 5 eggs. We'll put it in our mixer with our mixing utensil. And once we get crumbly like that, we're going to switch over to our dough hook and we'll get that going. You may have to add a little bit of flour. You may have to add a little bit of water. I had to add just a little bit extra water to get the dough where I wanted it. And once I got that dough done, I got it wrapped in cellophane and I'm letting that rest for a few minutes. After that, I put on my pasta attachment and I cut that dough into 4 pieces, flatten them out, and now I'm running the dough through the attachment at level 1 and all the way down to level 6. And that's the thickness you're going to want for lasagna. So you got to run it through, fold it, run it through, level down until you get that nice long piece or sheet of pasta. And once you get that sheet complete, we're going to cut it in half and then put it on a flour cookie sheet. And we're going to put a little bit of flour on top of those because we're going to be stacking our sheets in preparation to build our lasagna. While I'm doing that, if I could remind you to like, subscribe, and share the channel. And also, make sure you go over to Vincenzo's Plate and watch his videos. He puts out amazing videos. Alright, so once we have all of our pasta sheets done, we're going to cover with some cellophane until we have our bolognese re-warmed up, ready to go. We've also got a pot of hot water going. So I got my lasagna pan. I'm adding the bolognese to the bottom first. And we'll spread that out as evenly as we can get it. And then we'll start layering our lasagna. So we got the bolognese, then we go with the sheet of pasta. And then we'll go with shredded whole milk mozzarella. And then we're going to go with another sheet of pasta, or layer of pasta I should say. And then bolognese again. And we're going to wind up doing this process till we have 6 layers. So it'll be a 6-layer lasagna. Bolognese, cheese, bolognese, cheese, bolognese, cheese, bolognese, and then the very last layer, or the topping, is bolognese, but we're switching to Parmigiano Reggiano cheese on the top. And once we get all that on the top, we're going to cover with aluminum foil. We have our oven at 350 degrees. We'll put that in for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to open it up, take the foil off, and we're going to go another 15 minutes until all that cheese is melted on top. And after 15 minutes, we have our lasagna, our 100-hour lasagna in 2 hours, and actually 2 hours and 10 minutes. Anyways, I hope you liked this little video. We had some fun making it. And check out Vincenzo's Plate and come back soon.